Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are also locked in a fierce power struggle ahead of ZANU-PF elective congress in 2027. Sabina mashoko buda panguva ine onekwa kunzi right now ED Mnangagwa is now preparing his grip in power for the elective congress yamuna 2027 iri kuonekwa kunzi right now vipi kosa Chiwenga vakasangwara anogona kuchibvuta ndori subscribe like utombe bell icon tiendera mberi with the news of Sandra Berachiti. That would be another battlefront. Given the critical role of the military in Zimbabwe's politics, both are currently fast maneuvering around the army to position themselves to control the levers of state power. While Chiwenga had the leverage on the military as he commanded the overall defense forces for 14 years and was in the army for 37 years, having fought in the Liberation War for about 8 years. Mnangagwa also has a military training background and relevant experience as a former defense minister. Since he took over through a coup in November 2017, Mnangagwa has tried to reconfigure the army command structure, removing some while promoting and sidelining others, and use patronage to placate the restless troops. The coup-proofing strategy has taken different forms, with yesterday's car distribution being the latest move. Mnangagwa's coup-proofing measures are primarily targeted at neutralizing Chiwenga, a retired army general instrumental in the 2017 coup that ousted the late former President Robert Mugabe and brought Mnangagwa to power. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga played a key role in the coup. They were the main architects of the past. With political tensions escalating more, Mnangagwa's coup-proofing strategy is now being rolled out comprehensively. Governments, particularly authoritarian regimes, employ a range of tactics to secure the loyalty of military leaders and maintain control over the armed forces. Mnangagwa has created a deliberate and delicate counterbalance between the presidential guard and balance and rival the regular army. The reports of some commanders being paid to buy their loyalty. The fragmentation of the security apparatus makes it harder for various military units to coordinate a coup. Domashko ari kupangwa ino consolidation of power in the ruling party ZANU-PF iri kuonekwa kunzi it can spill up to another coup. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa panguva ine kwamuri kuona kuti vakomana vari kutya kubvisiwa and now vasuda kuti history irepeat itself kwavari. Pinda kumesection medu mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.